Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the syllabus for test prep, certified professional in healthcare quality and explain what to study in each domain. The exam covers 4 domains with exact weights: performance improvement and process improvement at 29%, organizational leadership at 25%, patient safety at 25%, and health data analytics at 21%. Each domain entry below includes the focus, difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type so you can plan study hours. The recommended estimated learning time sums to 140 hours across all domains, and this guide highlights the key topics you must master. Performance improvement and process improvement is weighted 29% and focuses on application of quality improvement models, team leadership, and change management methodologies. This domain is rated hard, expects about 40 hours of study, and is assessed with conceptual and scenario-based questions that test use of the PDSA cycle, lean waste reduction, Six Sigma and the DMAIC process, rapid cycle improvement, focused CA, theory of constraints, and business process reengineering. You will also learn team facilitation and dynamics, including roles, stages of team development, conflict resolution, meeting facilitation, and collaborative techniques, plus process mapping, FMEA, root cause analysis, implementation of action plans, monitoring, standardization, and gap analysis to sustain gains. Organizational leadership is weighted 25% and focuses on strategic planning, governance, and fostering a culture of quality across the organization. This medium difficulty domain requires about 35 hours of study and uses both conceptual and scenario-based assessment to evaluate alignment of quality goals with mission and vision. Strategic tools like SWOT and PEST, HOSH and Canary policy deployment, and sustainability and resource allocation for quality programs. You will study governance structures and reporting lines, the role of the governing body and medical staff in quality oversight, accreditation and compliance issues, and change management models such as Cotter and Lewin to build a culture of accountability, transparency, workforce development, and patient and family engagement. Patient safety is weighted 25% and focuses on identification and mitigation of risks to ensure a safe care environment for patients. This domain is rated hard, recommends about 35 hours of study, and is primarily scenario-based to assess design and implementation of safety programs, compliance with national patient safety goals, safety event reporting, sentinel and never event management, and disclosure of medical errors. You will also master proactive and retrospective risk assessment with FMEA and RCA, human factors and high reliability organization principles, safety huddles and walk-rounds, infection prevention measures, safety culture assessment, just culture application, psychological safety, second victim support, error-proofing techniques, and system-focused error analysis. Health data analytics is weighted 21% and focuses on data management, statistical analysis, and visual communication of healthcare metrics. This medium difficulty domain requires about 30 hours of study and combines conceptual and scenario-based questions to test selection of performance measures, data collection methods, sampling techniques, data validation, benchmarking, and population health risk adjustment. You will learn statistical basics including data types, measures of central tendency and variation, statistical process control and chart rules, interpretation of p-values and confidence intervals, and effective data visualization and reporting through appropriate charts, dashboards, actionable formatting, and attention to privacy and security. That concludes the syllabus overview for the Certified Professional in Healthcare Quality exam. Use the domain weights, difficulty levels, and estimated study times to create a focused study plan. Prioritize scenario practice especially in performance improvement and patient safety, and balance leadership and analytics study to succeed on exam day. Good luck and study strategically.